actually is happening, you are telling the software that first you do the scan, whatever in the scan you get MSMS, this data is being fed back to the quadrupole, and based on this data, quadrupole is selecting some precursors and sending it for MSMS. When you are doing targeted, you are making a list, and that list is going to the quadrupole directly. Based on this list, the quadrupole is filtering the ions and sending. So the flow of information is like that. Now, when we are doing auto MSMS, there are so many criteria where we have discussed, like you made it should be 2000 counts, it should be singly charged, all that. But within that, the software is giving priority. Supposing there are 10 precursors, out of which it has to fragment 4 first. Based on the inputs, it is giving this priority that this should be done first, this should be done second. When we are doing an inclusion list, that priority is getting nullified by the list of masses which we are getting. So it is not feeding the quadrupole the same information. It is just making a priority that when I make a list for MSMS, I should definitely include these masses. Method is same as auto MSMS. Workflow is same as auto. The mechanism is same. Still the MSMS will happen. Only if you get a mass which is included in the inclusion list, it will get the command to the quadrupole to filter that mass in the tool. It is different from target. It's very different from target. So it is so different from targeted because in targeted everything is quadrupole based. If you don't include it in the targeted list, it will not do MSMS. But in auto MSMS, if you miss also to include in the inclusion list, still if the fragment is abundant, it is high, it will get random. So for omics purpose, whether it is proteomics, metabolomics, auto MSMS is present. Now in auto MSMS, we know 922.0098 is our precursor mass, reference mass. We need to exclude that, correct? Second, 121 is our reference mass. We have selected here this one, 121 point. So these are reference masses. Definitely they will come.
We should include all.
We should exclude them.
We should exclude all.
Two only. We are putting two only. We are putting two only. If you are putting any other mass, you can exclude that. Okay. Sometimes now you can exclude any background ions also if you want. So this is done. Let us now save the method as this is 2nd August.
This method we have to do. Next time, if we want to do MSMS, this method we can select and we can do the sample.
You have to adjust the chromatography. So you can take the source parameters and everything from here, but chromatography you have to change.
So case type auto or A.
ठीक है. Now we'll make a targeted MSMS. Targeted MSMS में क्या होता है? ध्यान से देखिए. All this collision energy is gone. Okay. You have a targeted list, and you have to put all these masses in the target list. If you don't, so now when I make an auto MSMS, I can apply the auto MSMS for any of these 3-4 samples which you have done. But when I am doing a targeted MSMS, first you have to process, you have to get the list, then that list you have to put here.
So if we are having 100 masses that we want to do the targeted MSMS, then we will manually put here 100 masses. Is there an option to export?
There is an option to export and import, but what will happen in that time? You have to give retention time. Retention time should be reproducible. If the retention time changes, it will miss the mass. So the way in targeted it works, because the quadrupole is not having the bandwidth to do like a TOF. TOF can scan for the whole range. Quadrupole is very limited in scanning capability. So what quadrupole can do, like if I give a mass 170 at 0.4 minute. So what will say, okay, at only 0.4 minute, I will look for this mass.
Whether it is there, then it will do.
If it is there, it will use. If it is not there, it will miss. Now, if it is from 0.4 minute, it shifts to 0.6 minutes. It will not do.
Here we have a option.
Window.
Import.
0.5 minute. Now, the question is whether how many precursors you can give at particular retention time. Maximum 4. Because with increase in the precursor for quadrupole, the efficiency goes down. So I cannot put all 100 precursor without retention time. If I do that, then you will miss everything. That's why I don't prefer auto targeted. Let us do auto. We'll see the results, then we will go. Okay. So let us go to the work list. We will select 1 sample each.
We will run also blank.
Blank?
You run blank.
Yes. Blank also. And
One black, one sample.
no, one blank for
One
the
black
entire.
and one other side. How many?
4, 5 samples are taken. कहाँ पे सेव किया था?
Kiran. जुलाई में सारे मेथड जुलाई में सेव हो गए.
Blank. Just put auto MSMS as an extension.
Blank also it will take the same method. No, range
Yes.
and everything.
Separate.
Blank are present in that range,
हाँ,
it will run.
it will run.
By that also we can remove some blank.
Okay. So method is saved, data files is saved, and we will save the work list as 3rd August. Okay, so it will run now auto MSMS for all the 5 samples. 1 month. How much is the runtime? 20 minutes, correct?
Unknown caller.
So 20 minutes for each. Hello? Hello? बोलिए. ऐसे कमर्शियल तो नहीं होता है.